Your morning news now. President Biden vows to nominate the first black woman to the Supreme Court. The president says he will name his choice to replace retiring Justice Stephen Breyer by the end of February. Mr. Biden formally announced Breyer will step down at the end of the court's current term this summer. The Biden administration's COVID vaccine mandate for healthcare workers is now in effect in more than 24 states that did not challenge the mandate. In Los Angeles County, COVID cases are starting to decline, but a top health official there says it's too soon to relax vaccine and mask rules. And as the world marked International Holocaust Remembrance Day, survivors of the Auschwitz-Birkenau death camp in Poland commemorated the 77th anniversary of its 1945 liberation by the Soviet Army. The ceremony comes as many nations grapple with rising anti-Semitism. The free rapid COVID tests from the federal government are starting to be delivered. People who live in states with cold temperatures like ours should keep a close watch on their mailboxes to make sure the packages aren't in the elements for too long. That's because there are concerns cold weather may impact the results. There is liquid in the test kit, and while manufacturers have not indicated if it will freeze, they do want people to let the kit warm up to room temperature before use.
Cold weather absolutely can have an impact on testing. It leaves a lot of us asking the question, what should we do with these tests? Particularly if they sit on my porch or in my mailbox for a period of time.
If you're worried about constantly checking your mailbox for the package, check your inbox first. Tracking numbers have been sent to the email addresses attached to orders, letting people know when they should arrive.
As you head out the door this morning, temperatures are very cold. We're looking at temperatures warming up into the teens this afternoon. Under cloudy skies, high today of 16 and then dropping down to the single digits by this evening.
Happening today, News 8 now at 5 and 6 will tee it up from a different place due to PGA Tour coverage on WKBT 8.1, where you are seeing us right now. You can watch us using your antenna on channel 8.2 or Spectrum Cable channel 6. Or stream us live on any of our digital platforms, including the News 8 Now mobile app, news8000.com, YouTube TV, or the News 8000 Plus Roku app. An $8.1 million radiology department will soon be ready for patients in Onalaska. Mayo Clinic Health System shared an inside look at the facility. Construction began in the spring last year, while MRI was offered in a mobile unit previously. System leaders say they saw a need to offer more.
We said this is the center of the population of the region. Let's create an imaging center that's convenient and safe and easy to use.
The first patient is expected early next month. A second MRI scanner is expected to be installed in March. A divided Wisconsin Supreme Court has ruled that state lawmakers can hire private attorneys at taxpayer expense even before a lawsuit has been filed. The ruling is an expansion of what had been done under current law. Democrats filed suit after Republican legislative leaders hired attorneys to handle lawsuits over redistricting before one had been filed.
At the door this morning, we are looking at temperatures into those single digits, sometimes some areas below zero, but we should warm up to 12 degrees this afternoon with those cloudy skies moving in. Still looking mainly cloudy late this afternoon. Our high today should reach about 16 degrees. Quiet conditions, west-northwest winds at around 5 to 10.
Wanted to let you know about the point in time count that we talked about yesterday here on the show. Emily Haugen was out and about with people from the county counting the homeless population, and it will take some time to get those numbers in, but we're going to keep you updated on our website for that, news8000.com. And don't forget, you can also catch up with the top stories of the day on News 8 Now at noon. We're going to send you to CBS Mornings. We hope you have a great day, and we'll see you back here on Monday.